What's up guys, this is my top 5 favorite things to do in Bali. Once you've touched down in Bali, the first place you're probably going to go and want to go to is Seminyak. It's full of restaurants, cafes, beaches, tattoo parlors and nightlife. On the first day we headed to Waterbomb Park. There's not much of a wait on any of the rides. It's just a great way to begin your experience in Bali. Once you've had your fair share of water slide, you can't go wrong with doing a bit of shopping and bargain hunting. As the sun goes down, you really want to get yourself out onto the street or onto the beach, whichever you choose. There are plenty of restaurants, bars and clubs you can head to. If you're there with your significant other, I recommend checking out the restaurants on the beach. I like to just walk around and see where the night's going to take me. You can have a good meal, head to the bar, and you never know where you're going to end up. A live band and good food is where it's at. The town of Ubud, known for its tradition, rainforest, terraced rice paddies and Hindu temples and shrines. Here I'm checking out their terraced rice paddies after spending the morning tasting Bali's famous coffee. This place is gorgeous and is well set up for you to get that perfect Instagram shot. The locals of Ubud are so friendly. They will help direct you to the best spots to watch the sunset, where to get the best food, and what you should go see. If you're an animal lover, you can check out the monkeys at the Monkey Temple and elephants at different sanctuaries and parks. While you're there, check out the markets, plenty of cool things to browse through and plenty of cheap things to buy. The island of Nusa Penida, a very short boat trip from Seminyak. Such a cool place, surrounded by beaches, cliff edges and plenty of beautiful jungle to visit and see. There are so many cool spots to check out, just ask the locals and they will point you in the right direction. I recommend hiring a motorbike or scooter to travel the island freely. It is the best way to travel in my opinion. It allows freedom and is quite cheap compared to getting a tour guide. Me and my girlfriend made the mistake of hiring one scooter for the two of us, which made it a little dangerous and hard to maneuver on those small streets where there is plenty of traffic. I recommend checking out Diamond Beach with its beautiful white sand and crystal clear blue water. My personal favourite was Kalinking Beach. You can walk down to the beach, but just so you know, it is quite the trek to get back up. The 3 Gili Islands, actually far away from Bali and closer to Lombok. There is Gili Meno, Gili T and Gili Air. My personal favourite was the smallest of the 3, Gili Meno. Not only is it beautiful, surrounded by white sandy beaches, quiet and you can see turtles, you can also go diving to check out the underwater sculptures of Gili Meno. Motorised vehicles aren't allowed in Gili Meno, making it the peaceful island of the 3. I recommend getting to the sculptures as early as possible so you can be the first person there. If you love snorkeling and diving as I do, then Gili Meno is the place to go. If you're looking for a more upbeat experience, then head to Gili T. Grab yourself a bike and travel around. At night, you can head to the resorts to watch yourself a movie on the beach. If you want to spend a day swimming with the turtles, you can off the beaches of Gili or Gili Meno. I found there was more personal and close encounter when swimming with the turtles off the beaches of Gili Meno. My favourite thing to do in Bali is to eat food. I just couldn't believe how good every meal was. From being the cheapest food you find to the most expensive restaurant, everything was amazing. Now me and my girlfriend are vegan, so everything you're seeing right now is plant-based or vegan-friendly food. Breakfast, smoothie bowl, lunch, something amazing, dinner, something even better. Not only the food, but the vibe you get at all the restaurants, usually with live music or waves crashing in the background. The food, in my opinion, was just a 10 out of 10, as cheap as it gets anywhere, and there was just so much variety from your health foods all the way to your comfort foods. Everything was just amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I aim to be bringing more content like this in the near future.